Hi, I'm Kelly, Queen Bee of Queen Bee Mixology, and this is my sidekick, Cindy.
I'm ready.
Okie dokie. So today we're gonna make a cocktail called the Lemon Ouzo Spritzer. So yes, it is. Simple drink, 3 ingredients, lemon, mint, and ouzo. So, and then of course we're gonna top it with a little bit of soda water. So we're gonna start with our lemon. I'm gonna cut the end off of this one because it'll make it easier to actually squeeze if you get the bulb out.
That's a Queen Bee tip for you.
That is. So, all right, so we're gonna do a half a lemon. All that juice.
That's delightful.
Can you take that?
I sure can.
Thank you. All right, then 2 ounces of ouzo.
2 ounces. I don't use ouzo a lot, so. Do you ooze
Smell.
ouzo?
You're really weird today.
Every day.
All right,
Every day.
and then we're gonna do some mint leaves.
Yes.
So,
They're kind of small though, so I
Yeah.
would do maybe a little bit bigger. Great. We're gonna add ice. And I'm ready. I'm the closer.
Okay. Thank you. You are so
You're the best. I'm excited to try this one.
Actually, I am excited to try this one as well.
Sometimes you just want a little refreshing drink.
I'm gonna top it with some soda water. A little bubbly.
Bloop. Bloop.
There we go. Now we have it.
There it is.
There you go.
That was way easy.
That was pretty easy. There you have it. Such a simple drink, but I bet you it tastes amazing. We have not tried this yet. Where did this drink come from, Cindy?
This one came from my friend, Iron Chef Michael Simon.
I'm so excited. All right, let's give it a try.
Wow, we filled that one.
Wow, that is really nice. The citrus and the licorice flavor together. What do you think?
I would drink that.
Yeah. Cool.
Great. Queen Bee approved.
Queen Bee approved.
This is why we start with the easy ones.
I know it. That is definitely Queen Bee approved.